Okay, so here we have the miracle of the Kiln controller, and here it's working at tolerable heats of 49 degrees centigrade, and you can see that the present value in red is 49 and the set value in green is 49, and there's a little green light on the left telling us that it's on, and the lamp comes on. Now as the lamp stays on, it's just gone off, exactly on cue. As the lamp is on, it heats the thermometer and it reaches the desired temperature and turns off the circuit. As the temperature falls, we might see it dip down to 49, or from 49 to 48, and it doesn't even get down, but it notices so clearly that it's getting a little cooler that it just blips on the light for a little bit to warm everything back up again. And so we get a consistent 49 degrees, slight flashing going on with the camera, but it's actually clear to the eye. So this is a test rig for the Kiln controller, and it's not live. It's highly dangerous. There's no earth going on anywhere, and there are some live electrical components around the place which you wouldn't want to get on your paws. So just talking it through very simplistically, electric power comes in from electric socket, goes through to this connector block, which again is rather a test rig, and twin wires come out of the connector block. One set of wires goes through to power the controller, and one set of wires goes through to the relay in order to feed in power to the lamp. Inside the lamp there is a little silver cord leading to a silver, we can't see it now with the heat, or you can just make it out, little silver screw end with a tip on the end, which is a thermometer, which they call a thermocouple. So that registers the temperature by the bulb, and as the bulb goes on it gets warmer until it reaches a point where it's at the right temperature and the bulb goes off. And you can see it's flashing on and off here, back where we started. We're now showing 48. I would expect a little fellow to wake up in a minute and think that it wants to be a little bit warmer. And so hopefully right on cue we will see, there we are, the little chap wakes up and lights the light, and we should now see the temperature going up from 48 to 49, at which point we would expect the little green indicator light to go out on the controller and the lamp light to go off. Patience might be needed, and I would expect in a minute, here we go, right on cue, the lamp's gone off because we're up to operating temperature. Still showing 48 there, so it keeps nudging it up just to keep it sweet, and I think 48 to 49 is not a bad connection. So there are a series of connectors on the back of the Kiln controller unit, and we can see a connector here which is for the thermometer. It goes in this nice long braided silver metal cable over to the lamp, but then there are other leads coming out from the controller that receive power in from the mains and then give a signal out to the relay. So the way that the relay is working is the signal goes into the input side, telling the relay when to turn on and off, and the relay then throws a switch on the output side, turning the lamp on and off. So it's all extremely exciting. Nothing very much is happening here, but nevertheless the same principle can apply to much higher temperatures, higher temperature thermometer, multiple relays, and we've got ourselves a working Kiln controller. Fantastic. Right, end of boring show, but it's useful documentation even just for me to know what's going on. So over and out.